Hi, I'm Shribred, and I'll be presenting Cultour, a cultural quest app. As Duolingo gamifies linguistic learning, I meant to gamify cultural touring. This discovery platform doesn't just recommend places, but it understands what's in your heart and adapts in real time to your preferences. And based on the user profile, the request is sent to Qloo's API and my own affinity model. So let's start with the nostalgic button. If you were to visit a place for the first time, what would you do? I start at home base, so I search my taste affiliated places. Then I want to learn about Austin's go to places because, like, if you're in Rome, be a Roman, right? So, watch this heart like system. So, when I like a place under the hood, my multi stage ML algorithms instantly reorder recommendations based on similarity scorings with All Mini LM. So, you can see Mexican restaurant and burrito, they're quite similar. I then use an affinity model to generate the user's personalized vectors like the taste buds, location proximity, and user's preferences. But as you can see, it's not actually evolving yet. And I'll come to it. But before that, I also separate a diversification engine with an integrated maximum marginal relevance layer that uses the user's interaction with the site, so the interaction history, and it applies a lambda weighted formula for completing two goals essentially, relevance and novelty. So MMR is basically to balance affinity, which is an exploitation model, and like the openness to visit new places and highly rated areas, which is the exploration model. Now, I've also patched in Vowpal Wabbit, and it's an online reinforcement learning. So it comes with contextual bandits, which shows how the taster interactions are evolving over time. So this system finally gets smarter. And this is really exquisite in the real world to show the user around town in a long run. So for instance, you'll have like three high affinity entities and two where you can tell someone that I discovered it by chance. So basically, I'm ensuring you get variety and it's not just similarity based recommendations. So I did use this method to extract GPS metadata. It's called EXIF. And for demo purpose, I've kept the range as 20 kilometers so you don't have to travel and test it out. So visit now will take you to the site. Add favorite is the likes and the recommendation system. Now, if you do go back to nostalgia, it will take some time to load because the location has changed. But otherwise, if it's the same location, you haven't changed the user profile, then it's stored in cache, so it will load quite fast immediately. And here's the progress bar. We just uploaded a photo, so we get a few badges and the rewards. So take a spin. And these rewards come with a cost. So new users definitely have to visit places in order to get to these. And finally comes our chatbot. I am running low on tokens, so I could try plan my week and in Chennai in 20 words or less. So it hits your Qloo API. And I was inspired off of Turinbrin, which is from a Japanese manga come TV show called Trillion Game.
Priya, congrats on maintaining your 12-day streak of cultural exploration. For an authentic weekend in Chennai, why not visit the Kapalishwarar temple, just 3 kilometers from Somerset Greenways? It's a vibrant spot full of cultural heritage. Afterward, enjoy some delicious vegetarian North Indian cuisine at Food Nirvana, located nearby in Raja Annamalaipuram. They serve specialties like Barwan Aloo, With prices ranging from $5–10, it's a great spot for authentic bites. Then unwind at Marina Beach, a short drive from New Woodland